look at it, dude. That's a really good angle for you to see
Oh yeah.
how well this thing flies in the wind. But it's a very neat setup. So not really sure why it spazzed out and crashed, but we're gonna take it over here and we're just gonna fly it around. Very smooth. The GPS is very helpful.
Yeah, it's doing its thing out here in this wind.
Very gusty, and I'm very impressed with it. And the range on this one is fairly pretty good. And my radio tells me how far away I am. I am 45, 50 meters away. Nice. Is that not cool?
That's good information to have.
It really is. And it has return to home. So it's got a headwind of 4 meters per second. So it kind of shows you, you know, just kind of what this thing is about.